Chili cheese chips! My favorite!
Owen, stop! Your mom said you can't eat food off the ground.
I don't care! She's not here! Now!
Owen, no! Stop! It's a trap!
Come to Diana.
She's the greatest day of my life! She's the best, best, best! Slow down, Bab.
Lana's been driving me crazy. Her animals stink up our room. And look what she did to my dolly.
Mama.
Why would she do that?
Woohoo! I got pink hair.
It is long Gwen Silver. And why are you not dressed as we agreed?
Maybe because I don't want to dress as a parrot.
Okay, I guess you don't want this map either. I'll just delete it.
No, fine, I'll dress as a parrot. Hang on.